Hello everybody, Homer Sharist here, and what I'd like to do is just spend a little bit of time with you here today talking a little bit on different types of squares. The first little square that I have here is a square that is identified as a tri-square. And this is a very handy little outfit here that most carpenters carry right in their tool pouch with them because it's not very big, but it can be used, say for instance, if you're marking off studding, this type of thing, it would be laid across the studding, and with your pencil you could just run a line across to where you would either use it as a cut line or maybe setting studding at that line or whatever you choose to do. Also, you'll notice too on the heel of this little square there's a level, so it can be also placed on something to tell you how close the plumb is on whatever your project might be. It's a very universal little square. Now along with that we have another little square that they call the tri-square, and this one here is used for, it can be adjusted. There's a sliding end to it here, which can give you a varied length through here. Can also be placed for, once again, for drawing lines across a stud or whatever. But if you notice on the other side of this tri-square you have an angle piece. That angle is at 45 degrees. So say if you want to cut a stud off at that particular angle, 45 degrees, it's just a matter of putting that along the stud and drawing the line this way here, and you will have your perfect 45 degree. Very handy little square. Now along with that, there's another little square here, but this is basically for doing different types of degrees. If you'll notice on the front of it here, we have a couple little screws. Now this can change the degree, which on the back side there's a scale that tells you exactly what degree it is sitting at. So once you find the degree that you want to cut an angle at, you would just look at the scale, tighten the screws to that position, place this here along your piece of material, draw the line, and that would give you the exact angle that you have selected off of the off of your protractor, I guess it would be called. So thank you very much. That concludes our squares for today.